Naija FM 102.7. What's in the trend? Wole Soyinka the trend. Hashtag National Assembly the trend. National Anthem the trend rather. Hashtag Kano the trend. Hashtag Landmark the trend. Wole Soyinka come out and they talk about Peter Obi again. Whether an old interview on a Peter Obi no be president too. No be in common subsidy. Where fuel now they buy for some places 1,000, some places 900, some places 800, some 700. No be Peter Obi be president. Yet every time people talk, they go see they criticize him. Fuel issue day. Wole Soyinka no talk that one. Insecurity see the country. Nobody talk that one. Hunger day. People no fit buy food. Inflation, no job. Labor and government they drag plenty things. Minimum wage and other things. Meanwhile, na Peter Obi. Maybe if it's okay, Atiku bring your what do they call him? Manifesto. Peter Obi bring your manifesto. More will send and give presidency. Just read them. Anything where if you take from the taker, maybe it go help. You understand? Maybe you don't try to go say if one person win presidency finish, call the other people will lose, gather together, make them turn to consultants to the president. See our ideas since we know they there. Or guy use them. Maybe the person say we win, try to use them. Funny enough, the only person when they talk anything bad about Peter Obi or Atiku or all those people, now the president himself, he no go ever hear and talk one bad thing about these people. But those in Canada they talk about, I never hear what you talk about. This government not reach 1 year, Baba. How far? With all the policies and the hunger, naira to dollar now by 1,450 to 1. When this government and 700 and something now, Baba no talk about that. You know, so maybe he talk, they never post the video. But the point be say, whether now it will be 90 years, I hear it will be 90 years by July. As respected as Wole Soyinka be and all the kind of stuff, people go there look say, maybe now wetin affect the country, the citizens we supposed to talk about, elderly statesmen like this. The major issue supposed to be the hunger, the insecurity, fuel scarcity, plus the costliness of the fuel, minimum wage, all those issues now you supposed to discuss if you ever want to talk for any corner. Forget Peter Obi, he don't lose election, he no win. Alright, so for Kano now, yesterday the governor signed bill where the State House of Assembly passed to, first of all, they repealed the other one where the former governor been do when he been established, I think 4 or 5 different emirs for inside the Kano Emirates. And then the former governor, Ganduje, and removed Lamido Sanusi, the second will be the emir before. And so then the throne they can't put another person, they can't establish like 5 different emirates. Everything they in law with the governor signed that time. The new governor now, they don't change that law back. They don't sack all the 5 emirs way before, they don't bring Sanusi back now. So the current emir now will be the number 1 emir now, they don't dethrone him again. So now dethronement now. So nobody can know the pathway go win the next election again. That one if can't dethrone Sanusi again. You understand? They need to get particular rule so that I don't even know why they say emir all those things and governor they determine. If the traditional rulers, that means the traditional rulers they don't exist before even governors, before even independence, Abi. So it's supposed to get rule and things where establish them so that one person will be governor, no just wake up say I want to dethrone this person because he talk with you and no like. And then he go come put law and everything. The state, all of us know that governors they control most state house of assembly for this country. So they will come do law, come sign. I don't remove this person. I can't establish 5. Another government go come change. I mean, he make a mockery of the whole thing. You understand? Meanwhile, some people don't go court. Say the governor hold on. The time government the court say that Ganduje hold on that time. They don't obey. Whether this governor will obey, I don't know. Now, my question now, how all these things they affect the life of the average Kano citizen? How it make them better? How it put food for their table, put cloth for their back? How it give them good shelter, give them security, give them water to drink? How all these things now, remove one emir, put another emir, create 5 emirs, come out that one, change the law. How all these things make the life of the citizens of Kano better? So for those where they Kano now, since they come out Sanusi, put those 5 emirs and all that, how better your life don't be? National Anthem. See, they just come out now, say they don't pass second reading bill to bring back old National Anthem. Why? Now National Anthem is our problem for this country now. The current one we get, as sweet as it be, even though some of us go say na lie anthem, but I like the current anthem. It makes sense. Arise, O compatriots. Nigeria's call, obey. Serve our fatherland. When our fatherland, all of us are citizens. All our citizens, our compatriots will be. Arise, O compatriots. Nigeria's call. Nigeria, they call us, obey. Waiting bad for that one. With love and strength and faith. the labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. Of course, we get people for sports, we get people for military, we get people for police. We don't serve us, we make Nigeria day. What's in bad with that one? To serve with heart and might. We suppose serve this country. One nation bound with freedom, peace, and unity. Maybe for their mind. Freedom not really today like that. Peace. That one is relative. It depends on where they live for Nigeria. And unity. Just forget that unity. Now, during election, now we know so we really divided on ethnic, religious, tribal, whatever. So maybe the senators don't even look and say, this country, all this world they talk for this current national anthem, they work. They won't go back to the old one. Say now at my age now, I won't go to learn new old national anthem. When I just forget. The one I know now, when I did school, I learned that from primary school, grow up. Oh. Alright, so compatriot, I even learned O God of creation, and they can't learn the pledge. I pledge tonight. Say that now I won't go to Riyaz. I don't understand. Say that now be priority. Senate, they talk about they want change national. Meanwhile, Labour they drag minimum wage with government. Oh. Government move from 30k to 48k, from 48k to 52k, I mean 54k. Labour say no, they want 615k, which me and Mufi say they are outrageous. Maybe they feel call like 100, 150, 200, but we never talk about that one. Now, national anthem. So you come force me now, they teach my children this new national anthem. How? Where I not even Sabia. How my children won't even to know. Hashtag landmark the trend. Some people don't rejoice. According to the news this morning, the Minister of Works talk yesterday say over 400 houses now go save now. They say what happen? They say 2 African submarine cable we cut across 33 countries and where they serve 3 billion people go destroy it and continue so they don't go back to the former. So the question why they ask, when they want to start this road, they don't know all this thing. What kind of research you not do? I know that after they don't destroy some people building, they say submarine cable, the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway, they don't reroute them back to the original path for distance of 9 kilometers. They move away from the shore. Over 400 houses go they saved. When I don't say cable passed there before. Like somebody talk yesterday, say every time for Nigeria, they read news because na bad news na indi. Now some people don't lose house. The ones who don't want to lose their own, they rejoice. Now they know say cable day, and it go affect telecoms and all those people, and 3 billion people, and it go affect other African countries. So before you award contract, before you begin do road, the surveyors and the planning and everything go don't know wetin dey this ground, which things he pass, where he pass, wetin go destroy. Una don't know all this, all the noise about they want to do coastal road. The other day I dey listen to TV, Arise News, when Osita Chidoka, former Minister of Aviation, they talk say people where they do that road not really know the road.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.